Hi, and thanks for stopping by my market report. This market report is about mortgage rates. This mortgage rates are affected on a daily basis. Most people don't realize that the rate can change multiple times in one single day here, and we like to try to show you what influences those rates on a daily basis. So that's why I come out with these reports every single morning. My name is Mike, and a little bit about me is I am a loan officer. I do work with a national lender, and I'm here to help in any way possible. If you guys got questions about mortgages, mortgage rates, you got questions about or looking to refinance or purchase, please feel free to reach out anytime. I'm here. So without further ado, let's kind of begin this report. We'll start with the economic reports. Today we do got a couple here, as you can see the highlighted. This is by the IHS market PMI. The manufacturing sector previous month for the month of March was at 59.1. On these indexes by the IHS market, anything above 50 is considered expansion or expanding or growing. So as you can see, we are doing that now. In month of April, forecast calling for 16.5, and it slightly increased by that by 60.6. So basically in line with that. Services, we had a 60.4 in the month of March. Forecast was calling for 61.9 and exceeded that to 63.1. So a lot more service industry expanded a lot more greatly in the month of April, which is obviously very good news because that does make up the bulk of the jobs here in the U.S. Lastly, we got the new home sales for the month of March. So in February, the initial report came at 775,000 annualized, seasonally adjusted annualized units. However, that did get revised higher to the month to 846,000, which is obviously good news. Forecast was gone for 886,000 for the month of March and exceeded that to 1,021,000. So very good numbers here for the month of March. So overall, great report here on the economic calendar. So let's jump ahead here to the headline news. Stocks are up this morning. They obviously like that news. We had Q1 earnings reports are still coming out. Nothing really kind of hitting the headlines right now. However, there is talk that there might be with the announcement of Biden's uh, capital gains proposal that you may see a big influx of sales coming up shortly. So you may see a lot of, so we could go in for a nice correction in the stock market with all the sales going on. So that way, a lot of these big traders may want to cash in before they get hit with that large uh, capital gains tax. Because if you didn't hear, they're looking at raising it from 20% to approximately 40%. It's like 39 point, I think 6 or 7 or something like that percent is the talk right now. So again, you may see some unusual trading ahead just so they can beat out that capital gains tax. Let's jump ahead, take a look, see what's going on with mortgage rates. And we were testing the bottom here. We were way down earlier this morning. We were even down about 17, 19 basis points. Since then, we've kind of steadily rose up. We just kind of hit negative zero point 0.3, down 3 basis points right now. So that's basically, by the time that lenders come out with pricing, it's going to be basically zero. We're going to be unchanged. So like yesterday, we've had this quite a bit this week. As you can see here, we started off the morning that lower, and we rose up. Started off lower, started up. Here we actually started about the same range here, but we did test lower and we came up. So we were looking kind of good early on when we first opened. However, shortly after opening, it did kind of drop a little bit, and since then it's kind of made a comeback as a result here. So mortgage rates unchanged from yesterday's pricing, yesterday's close. And then yields, it's trying to make its way back above the 50-day moving average. Yesterday it closed between the 50-day moving average and a new technical right around the 1.53, 52-ish right here. And right now it's trying to work its way back above this 50-day moving average. Right now it's just sitting under 1.57 so far. So we'll see where it ends up. However, we'll kind of find out today if the 50-day moving average becomes a pretty strong ceiling or not, if you can hold it or not. All right, folks, that's the wrap for the day. I hope you got, again, if you guys got questions, please feel free to reach out. I hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you on Monday's video. Take care. Bye-bye.